Welcome back to AM Northwest. Whether you're currently searching for a job or just want to be ready when an opportunity arises, it really pays to be prepared. We welcome back career strategist and professional brand expert, Dr. Carol Parker Walsh. Good morning, Carol. How you doing?
I'm great. Good morning.
Good morning. So let's talk about this. You say one of the things people need to do during this time. I mean, for a lot of people, they're quarantining or they're on furlough or they've lost their job. But you say one of the things to do is really work on getting your resume together and, first of all, fully complete your profile.
Yeah, absolutely. LinkedIn is one of my kind of preferred places for people to be right now, and it's been underutilized for a long time. So while we're all on social media, the usage has skyrocketed, as you can imagine, just like other streaming systems. And so it's the one place where you can go that's professional, where you can network, where you can make connections, where you can be seen, where you can grow your profile. And so the best thing to do, a lot of people, I know so many people who know about it and they kind of put something there, but they've never really finished it.
Yeah. So I think you're talking to me. Yeah. Okay.
So there's a picture, maybe a few things there, right? So now that you're making connections and you're looking up other people, you want them to land on a spot that looks amazing. I mean, you really want to think of it as your personal website.
Right.
So you want to have it fully completed, and that means your background picture, that means your profile picture, that means your summary, your experience, everything. You want everything that you want there, and not just necessarily regurgitate your resume, but really get robust and full with what you want to say and how you want to show up and how you want people to really see you in that medium.
You also talk about the importance of keywords. What do you mean, first of all, by a keyword?
Well, a keyword is just like when you search on Google, right? You put in certain words and then all of a sudden everything, all the information that you want based on that word shows up. And LinkedIn, above all else, is a search engine very similar to Google. So you want to use keywords that describe your skills, that describe your abilities, your title, so that recruiters or other people can find you readily because they're also typing in, hey, we're looking for an accountant, or we're looking for a dentist, or we're looking for, a newscaster, something of that nature, right? You want to use those words so that you can be found readily and easily. So it's a search engine. So utilize words that describe the position you want, the skills you want to be known for, and the expertise you want to share out there in the world.
Should you put examples of your work on LinkedIn as well?
100%. Like I said, it's like your website. So it's a great place to create your own portfolio and to show off your work. Listen, it's time to brag a little bit. If you've been afraid to show off that award you won or that great project you completed or something that really made a difference, in your company or in your organization, now is the time to start doing a little bragging. And women tend to undervalue their fabulousness.
Yeah.
So we tend not to show off or not to show the things that we've actually been able to do. But it's a great way to set an example for your future boss or that for that promotion that you want, that you're actually the right person for the position because you know exactly what to do and that you've done it well in the past.
How often should you post, you think?
You should post regularly. So there's no rule of thumb like it's not about posting every day or 4 times a day. But if you do start posting, the key is to be consistent. So if you post once a week or you post even a couple of times a week, you just want to be consistent. Like I said, LinkedIn is a search engine. So if you are posting more regularly and you're more engaged in the platform, the algorithms kind of let everyone know this is an active profile. So they'll show and share what you post to more people. Honestly, when you post and you're not very active, very few people see it because maybe you don't have a lot of connections or you haven't been regularly there. So you want to post. The other reason you want to post is that it positions you as a thought leader, right? So you can publish articles on LinkedIn, which a lot of people didn't realize. So you can actually publish there and really post quality pieces. You just don't want to post randomly. You want to post something that really speaks to your expertise and your skill sets and really showcases your ability to think about how, you position you as a thought leader, basically, to in your field or in your industry that really lets people know that you're well-versed, educated and informed on the topic that you want to be known for a potential position or a promotion.
You are big on connecting with others, and you can do this on this platform as well, right?
Yes, absolutely. It is the best place to actually network. And, they also kind of categorize you based on how many connections that you have. So if you have at least 500 connections, LinkedIn kind of sees you as a serious networker. And if you have 2,000 or above, they see you as somebody who's really serious about really connecting and almost being an influencer status in a lot of ways. So when you connect to more people, what it does is that it allows you to connect to their connections. So it just really exponentially expands your reach in that platform to be able to meet people that may be working at a company you want to work for, that may be some recruiters that you want to reach out to and connect to, or hiring managers, or even to let your boss know that you're really doing some amazing, fabulous things, because it will probably come within their reach as well. So you want to also follow companies that you want to work for, follow the company you're currently working for, and follow other influencers or experts in your field, just so that you can always stay in the know and stay aware. So, because they are there. And so it's a great platform and medium to use to support you in that way.
Should we ask for recommendations as well?
Yes, yes. In the past, LinkedIn has always had a place for endorsements and recommendations, and people really kind of poo-pooed it. And frankly, LinkedIn didn't pay much attention to that either. But now the endorsement section is, again, where you want to use those keywords so that you can ask people to endorse you to show that you're an expert in a certain area. And when you get at least 99 people endorsing you in that way, LinkedIn will also put you out there as an expert in that particular area or skill set that you've been endorsed for. But recommendations, nowadays, people are going right to LinkedIn to look at your recommendations. So they don't have to ask you for recommendations on the interview or ask you to send in a recommendation from someone else. They can go right to LinkedIn and see all of your recommendations. So ask your past employers or colleagues or people that you've done work with, even if it's a volunteer basis, to write you a recommendation and have it right there on your profile for everyone to see.
Wow, that's a lot of valuable information there, Carol. Thank you so much, Dr. Carol Parker Walsh. And we'll be